This project was really a combination of keeping it simple and consistency. We met for a 3-month time period in a room, and we went over our ROs that were under 90% efficiency. We had 2 rounds of each group, and each group we had a service writer and several techs, and we have our foreman and our manager in those meetings. We went over line by line what our ROs were and anything that looked suspicious, anything that wasn't complete, and we found a lot of data to support our reasoning for doing this project. Our low efficiency rates did result in a lot of waste, and we're going to concentrate on 2 for this project. One was overproduction, and the other one was waiting. Then we determined a problem statement and a goal statement for this project. So from that problem statement, we did determine the goal statement that by the end of 2019, the Lima Service Department will improve our average shop efficiency rate to 95%, having a positive effect on profitability and customer throughput. We focused on 3 root causes and corrective actions during this continuous improvement event. The first one was that the technician stories were not clear or that they did not add a line when necessary.
Some of the opportunities for improvement we found were the tech stories weren't real good at what they actually did on the job. We had put together a story writing class for the techs. We put on an estimate writing class for the service writers and the foreman. So those 2 groups would get together and make a good estimate. We made it mandatory to add a line to the work order when the primary part number changed.
The second root cause was that the estimates were not being updated, causing unbillable time.
Another problem we had is, say a job comes in here with a lot of troubleshooting time, we try to have the tech stop after 2 hours and come talk to us. That way we can get a hold of the customer and advise him, hey, we got 2 hours on this job right now. We need at least a couple more hours to diagnose the problem. That way he can make the decision. The decision's in his hands, whether to stop or continue forward. That way we don't get too much time in a job and we end up writing it off.
And then the third root cause was that we were not having the right tech assigned to the right job, and it was resulting in too much time or too many techs on a repair order.
We try to make sure we got the appropriate tech for the appropriate job. You know, we don't try to put a B tech on an A tech job because we know it's going to take him some more time.
After our efficiency meetings, people in the shop would talk amongst themselves about what the meetings were about, and then everybody in the shop got to find out what we all discussed. Being an A-level tech, I even learned something from these meetings. I started asking the estimated time on a repair. Then I knew what I was expected to have done in a certain amount of time. I think mentoring the newer guys was a huge improvement. Working alongside them taught them the correct way to do procedures, and it also helped them learn how to do those procedures quicker.
We started at 87% in 2018. We went to 98% in 2019, and our ELR went up $18 an hour. The project really never ended. We still continue to review work orders under 90%.
Throughout the next year, we're going to concentrate on one of the other wastes, which was waiting. So we do have a back parts counter project that we started for Q1 of 2020. And we're hoping with that concentrated effort on the back parts counter process that our efficiency rate will hit 100% or more.